Hello everyone. Today I'm here with another query which I got from one of you member, and they personally messaged me regarding the Google Merchant Center account suspended after 3 months, no valid reason given, and they show me a website or online shop needs improvement. Germany, during the review that you requested on October 30, Google found this still to be an issue. You should only request a review after fixing the issue. There was a problem identified with your website upon your entire website to provide a useful and transparent shopping experience for customers. Make sure that your website meets the following requirement. Your website should have a domain name that matches the uploaded domain name. Your entire website should not have any broken links. Your website should not contain any placeholder images or text. Here the product details and categories should match those that you provide in your product data. Your website shouldn't contain generic information and shouldn't miss crucial information about products. Okay, let's see. We have been dealing with a frustrating issue with Google Merchant Center for our e-commerce business, and I'm hoping the committee can offer some insights. Timeline of event: we initially set up our merchant account with the EU domain, which seemed problematic from the start. We then obtained a .de domain targeting Germany and created a new merchant center account. The new account ran without any issue for 3 months, then Google automatically suspended it. When we submitted an appeal, it was rejected with the same vague message. The problem: Google error message simply states website or online shop needs improvement, and lists issues like broken links, placeholder images, text generic or missing product information, and domain mismatch. However, we have thoroughly audited our website multiple times. None of these issues actually exist. The website is clean, all link work data, product data is complete and accurate. The real question: could this be related to the fact that our company operates multiple e-commerce stores on different domains, all properly verified separately? Okay, let me answer it right now. No, this is not the reason. The parent main shop keeps getting rejected while we are wondering if Google system is flagging it due to some conflict of policy related to multi-store operation. Our frustration: Google support provides no specific details. I think that because we are one of the pioneers in restoring Google Merchant Center account, and majority of the clients are in a similar situation, just like yours, when we say that the Google do not provide any specific details and won't explain what triggered the suspension. The standard support responses are completely unhelpful. I need help on this, Ali. Are there known issues with the multiple stores and one business? Any advice in escalating this beyond standard support? We are basically getting vague rejection message for issues that don't exist on our website. Okay, so I think I will give the chance over here that how confident you are regarding the website issues, because right now we have so far discovered 160 plus checklists and we are still learning a newer thing every day. And I'm going to show you, for instance, this is our own checklist which we use. Okay, for instance, contact verification, domain, social media, page speed test. I mean, there are so many issues, doing trial test out. Maybe you have copied content, generic images, could be a reason, pop-up policy, return refund policy page, compliance image, shopping pages, reviews on your website, third party reviews, social media rules, website SSL, business email, malicious website, uniform product page design, relevant policies, about us page with custom SEO message, GH targeting, country, return refund policy page, return process, refund policy, testimonial, social media public domain. So I mean, adult website content, error on social media. On Google Merchant Center, you have to enable it in case if you want adult content. Cross check Google ads, country, Shopify, business address. Submit for review, resolve technical errors, headings, suspensions not copied, robots.txt file. They could out of stock items, alignment of pages, spaces between content, grammar issues, plagiarism, search is. So we have so many issues, so many things. Issues on could be the reason why your Google store Merchant Center store is suspended for Shopify for online store needs improvement, online website or online shop needs improvement. So in case if you want a personal help, because we work as a team, and we have ample of hundreds of case studies on our YouTube channel, on my YouTube channel. We are a Google partner company based in Dubai, and we offer a lot of services including Google Merchant Center, including Shopify web stores creation. So in case if you want our services, you can hire me and my team through the link in the description, and we would love to work on it and sort around your issues regarding this, because I know that once suspension occurs, you are getting a business loss, you have a staff on board, you have a lot of expenses going on, and there is no income generation. So which is why we recommend you to opt. We have solved hundreds of cases, and we are a full-fledged agency. So in case if you need our services, you can hire me and my team through the link in the description. Once again, thank you for watching. And I try to discuss that there could be many more reasons why your Google Merchant Center is suspended apart from what you are thinking. Plus, as a Google partner, we have a dedicated support. So we discuss with Google as well regarding why they have labeled this domain. So this could tell us regarding as far as your question regarding that multiple stores are verified. No, that is not an easy reason normally, usually, but Google support can tell a detail response on this. So yeah, I hope this answers, and we look forward working with you. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.